welcome back to TechGround Learning Hub. Hope this video helpful for you. Today's our concept is about React. Not only React, how we use it backend, how we use it AI, all those things I will share with you in the future videos. So let me tell what I'm showing at present on my screen. This is a simple front-end application which includes all the static features. So once let us look the entire website and then discuss about something else to move on. Okay. So we could see here a very different UI with a dark theme, so viewers would attract for dark theme rather than the light theme. So I choose it a dark theme here. So this project is completely for beginners with the help of AI. I doesn't even kept my single hand to develop this website. I generated everything with the help of my AI assistant tools and everything for free. So let me share all of that tricks and tips for you at the end or in the upcoming videos. Okay, so now here let me explain about a simple brief description about this website. This website is for mentally disturbed people, either if they are very sick on their career, or if they are a love failure, or if they are with a heavy suicidal thoughts. This website which I designed is for that type of people. So you can choose any theme, not only this, and you can develop your own website. So now let us move into the important points and the entire website walkthrough. So now this is the basic home page, and here what I am having is my logo. If I click on here, see, if my mouse enters to this heart button, heart emoji, it is pumping out, right? This is a different technique for attracting viewers. And yeah, this your mental health matters, this always changes the colors. So now let's explore the home page. These all are a different section, like how, why did you choose the Mindcare Men's website, and then yeah, this is another section, you're not alone, and this is a regular footer page. So now what's the next page? This is the major and perfect page in our entire website. So here the mystery comes, we can choose any of the doctor for consultant. If we can view their profile, so here they charge their consultancy fees is 600, right? We can see their consultancy fees and we can book for another thing also. For booking, first I need to cancel my previous thing, so I cancel. Yeah, now you can see start and pay. If you not noticed it, I will tell you what's the difference. I cancel the previous appointment, only then my current appointment would be enabled. Until then it doesn't enable. If you are bit doubt, please backward 10 or 20 seconds and you can check again about this. So if I click a pay and schedule here, here the magic comes. If I enter like this, it comes like welcome back. If you sign in or sign up, then only this feature would be enabled. So what's the main reason here? The thing is, I doesn't have any type of backend, but how the sign up and login functionality works with the help of just JSON files. So if you want to know more about it, please comment interested in the comment section, so I will definitely make a video on this. So I doesn't have an account, so let me create a new account here. I'm keeping like this, and let me generate another email. If I enter only three numbers, what you could see an error message, password must be a 6 characters or above. So let me make it as a 6 characters. All these are validation techniques which you have to use in your projects, and if I say create account, then only I can access to the payments. See, now you can see the place where we can sign in here. So I already have an account, so I'm already signing over here. So yeah, I completely got sign in. You can see this only after sign in. Okay, if I click over this, you could upload any image over here. You can see previous payments history and chart history. Let us explore this also. See now, let me pay and schedule this. Here I doesn't have any backend, so that if I enter 600 in the field section, and if I click on payment, the payment will successfully completed because there is no backend logic. And if I select June 10th, today is June 10th actually, and there are no slots available, so that it's not showing any time. If I click on June 11th, here all the slots are available, so I can book any slot for 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, any time. So that if I confirm appointment, the appointment would be confirmed, and we could get an alert or something confirmation message. And if I click and into, it goes back. So next we can chart also. There is no backend functionality here, so maybe a simple error. Sorry for that. Yeah, this chart functionality absolutely works, but it doesn't working because yeah, here now here I deployed so that here it would work the chart support. Let me sign in again here. So yeah, now I sign in, right? So let me see over here and pay and schedule. I mean, like, we need a chart, right? Let's say chart. So now it would open over here, chart functionality. It doesn't open over there because I deployed over there, so it doesn't work the functionality over there. So yeah, here if I enter a hi, then it would come automatic reply from their side. This is a special feature only we can do in the front end without any back end. Are you amazed? Let me share all of my secrets. How I done all these things only in the front end without the help of backend like Node.js or something backend tools. Okay, so now here we could see, yeah, here we could see our profile. I have this profile in my another account, and payments. I done all these payments. Okay, this is not a original payment, just dummy payment for a basic project. And chart history, just now I chat with the Dr. Johnson, so next I can view this or I can delete it. So that's about over here. So next thing is the motivation, the favorite part of mine. If you are okay or happy on this day, if you're okay and you're feeling very stressed, and you can add an additional comments over here and generate my motivation, and it would generate a different motivation. Here's there a motivation, so it would generate everything you need. Okay, so now crisis help, here we can see all the support team over here. You can go through with this website and you can check it out. And down of this video description I will give my GitHub link also. You can access all the resources over there, and you can build your own website from scratch by repository from there. And yeah, now coming the main part, if you are still with me, you are highly benefited by this 1 minute of this video. So if you need how I developed all these things only in the front end without any back end, please comment interested. If you comment interested in the comment section, if at least 5 to 10 comments reached out under this video, I'll make a video on this complete guidance. Means what are the AI tools I use it to develop this much eco-friendly thing, and what are the techniques I use it for building all the front end logics for login and sign up and sign in, etc. And what are the things I use it for motivation generation. And the special feature for this is AI chatbot. We have chatbot also, how I developed this chatbot, everything. I how what are the techniques I use it majorly over to develop this big thing I will share with you. So if you are interested and highly recommend this video, please comment interested in the comment box. So that's all for this video guys. Hope for the best. See you in the video soon. Bye bye.